Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find the icon and tap on it. In the app, find the devices icon and tap on it. And here you should see your HUAWEI Watch 5 on the list of devices. Tap on it. Then scroll down through this page and find the option called Reset Factory Settings, or Restore Factory Settings, my bad. Once you find it, tap on it. And as you can see, we have two options. Full reset, reset but save eSIM info. Basically, if you have eSIM card assigned to this watch, you can keep it even though you reset your watch to the factory default settings. I'm gonna use the full reset option, so tap on full reset. And the watch will disappear from the devices page. It should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen of your watch, it means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.